Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and of course find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon and on the camera icon, which is in the circle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either pick the camera, and here your device will of course open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply pick something from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Of course, you will be transferred to your photos, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see from this tab, we can change the size of this circle, highlighted circle. We can change also the position of it. We can zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with the position of the circle and so on, just tap on Done to confirm. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like, because first of all we have to save it. Remember about tapping on save. And here we've got our contact list, and the photo will be visible on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.